8 questions ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Yes, 9th one 7 questions ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. 8th one, right? If solutions chapter, there is a question number 7th one, right? 7 or 8? 8. If alpha is a degree of dissociation of sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4, the Vanta factor I used for calculating the molecular mass is. Okay. Here, calculating the molecular mass is, we know that alpha is equal to I minus 1 divided by n minus 1. I ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Vanta factor ಅಂತ. Alpha is called as a degree of dissociation. N is called as a number of ions produced. Number of ions produced. I is called as a Vanta factor. N is called as a number of ions produced when dissolved. Next, alpha is called as a degree of dissociation. This is the one. Here, now n is equal to how much? 3. Substitute here. Number of ions produced is 3. Halda sodium sulfate when dissolved in water, it gives 3 ions. 2 Na plus and SO4, 2 minus ion. Totally 3 ions. Now substitute here. I minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1. I minus 1 by 2. So alpha, that is 2 alpha is equal to I minus 1. So I is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ I is equal to 1 plus 2 alpha. ಇದೆಯಾ? I is equal to 1 plus 2 alpha. This is the formula we use for dissociation. Dissociation, we use this. So that is option 3. Next question. Benzene and toluene forms nearly ideal solution at 20 degree. 20 degree. The vapor pressure of benzene is 75 torr and that of toluene is 22 torr. The partial vapor pressure of benzene at 20 degree Celsius for the solution containing 78 grams of benzene and 46 grams of toluene in torr. That is, we have to calculate the partial pressure of benzene. We have to calculate. Okay. Here, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ partial pressure is equal to mole fraction of benzene into partial pressure of benzene. Okay, first we have to calculate for this NB. NB is called as a number of moles of benzene. NT is called as a number of moles of toluene. What is the formula used to calculate the number of moles? What is the formula to calculate the number of moles? Hello.
Mass by molar mass.
Mass by, very good. Mathado yenagalla. It's correct. Meghanatha.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Mathadbeko. Number of moles calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ mass by molecular mass. NB is called as a number of moles of benzene NT is called as the number of moles of toluene. We know that that is WB, mass of benzene by molecular mass of benzene. Idu ashta mass of toluene divided by molecular mass of toluene. WB, what is the mass of benzene is given? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
78 grams.
Yes, very good. 78. What is the molecular mass of benzene? 78 is equal to 1. What is the weight of toluene is given? 46. What is the molecular mass of toluene? That is 92. How to calculate the molecular mass? How to calculate the molecular mass?
Sum of atomic mass.
Yes, very good. Sum of its atomic masses. So is equal to 2 aಗುತ್ತೆ. Sorry, 1/2 or 0.5 ಅಂತ ಇಡೋಣ. 0.5. Okay. Now, mole fraction of B. What is mole fraction of B? That is mole fraction of benzene. Mole fraction ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of moles of benzene divided by total number of moles in the solution. Okay, number of moles of benzene divided by NB plus NT. NB ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 divided by 1 plus 0.5 is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು 1 by 1/1.5. ಅದಾಗೆ 1.5. Next, what we have to calculate is ಏನು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? P we have to calculate. There is a partial pressure. Okay, the partial pressure of benzene is equal to mole fraction of benzene into partial pressure of benzene. Mole fraction is 1/1.5 into B is 75, right? Partial pressure is 75 torr. So ಇದು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? What is the answer? Is equal to 50. The answer. Yeah, 50. First option. Question number correct ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes. Next question. Equal volumes of ethylene glycol. Correct? Same question.
Yes, sir.
Equal volume of ethylene glycol in the bracket molar mass is equal to 68 and water molar mass is equal to 18 are mixed. The depression in freezing point of water is the bracket given Kf for water is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole and the specific gravity of ethylene glycol is 1.11. What we have to calculate? ಏನು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We have to calculate delta TF. ಹೌದಾ? Delta TF calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ formula. What is the formula to calculate delta TF? That is equal to 1000 into Kf into what? W divided by W1 W2. Here it is a W1 into M2. This is the formula. What is delta TF? Delta TF andrenu? Depression in freezing point. KF is called as a cryoscopic constant. W2 is the mass of the solute. W1 is the mass of the solvent. M2 is called as a molar mass of the solute. Here, ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1000 ಹಾಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. KF ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ 1.86 into W2 mass of the solute ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಥಿಲೀನ್ ಗ್ಲೈಕಾಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಟ್ 1 into density is equal to 1.11 divided by ಅದನ್ನು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ 1 into 1.11 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್, ಇದು ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ, ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ W1 ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಟ್ 1 into 1 ಇದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಟ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ? 62. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. That is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಡಬಹುದು? 1000 into 1.86 into 1.11 divided by 62. It's almost 62 ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು ಇದು? I will simplify that. How many times you can divide this one? 1.86 divided by 62. Almost you can divide it into 0.33 na ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಹಲೋ, ಇದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 30 times ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. That means we will get that answer is 33.3. So answer is the fourth option. Why nobody is interacting? 10th one. At same temperature, which pair of the following solutions are isotonic solutions?
Sir, 11th one.
Yeah. Which one? Which has minimum osmotic pressure? Sorry, na? That's the same question, na?
Yes, sir.
Which has the 11th or 10th one? What is the question number?
11th one.
11th one, na? What is the answer for this? Which has minimum osmotic pressure?
Option 2.
Option 2, that is 2 ml or 200 ml of 1 molar glucose solution. Okay, that is the one. Next, at the same temperature, which pair of the following solutions are isotonic solution? What is meant by isotonic? isotonic solution, hypertonic solution, hypotonic solution. You must know all those things.
Same osmotic pressure.
Yes, the two solutions having same osmotic. When the two solutions having same osmotic pressure, when there is a concentration is same. When the concentration is same, then the two solutions having same osmotic pressure. Here we know that the formula to find out the osmotic pressure, pi is equal to I into CRT. Here R and temp C is same, constant agirta. R is called as a gas constant, T is called as a temperature, that is constant agirta. Then I, what is I? I is called as a Van 't Hoff factor. Then C is called as a number of ions or concentration, number of ions. Okay. Sorry. Number of ions. I is called as a Van 't Hoff factor. C is called as a concentration. C is called as a concentration of the solution. You have to bit put it. You have to find out this one. I into C. C is called as a concentration. I is called as a Van 't Hoff factor. Yeah. However, your solution having same osmotic pressure. ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Here fourth option ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 0.1 molar ಬೇರಿಯಂ ನೈಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಪೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಐ. ವ್ಯಾನ್ 't Hoff ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರಿಯಂ ನೈಟ್ರೇಟ್ಗೆ? How many ions it gives? 3. So 3 into what is the concentration? 0.1 molar coating. So is equal to 0.3 pi. And next, this is for barium nitrate. Next, and pi for what? Sodium sulfate. Although how many ions it gives? Na2SO4. How many ions it gives? Although 3. What is the concentration? 0.1. That is equal to 0.3. So you have to do concentration of osmotic pressure is same. So answer is 12th one. How much? 4. Option number 4. You can try the remaining options. Pi won't get same. Pi same iradilla. This is a very, very important formula to calculate the isotonic solution. If they are different, then that is not called as a isotonic solution. That may be hyper agirbodu illa hypo. I think this type questions will repeat. Next time I will tell you directly the answer. Yeah. Which one, which will form maximum boiling azeotrope? There is option 1. There is nitric acid and water, which shows maximum boiling azeotrope, because they shows negative deviation from ideal behavior. Okay, therefore it shows the maximum boiling azeotropes. Yes. Next, 14th. Consider the following aqueous solution and assume 100% ionization in electrolytes. First one, 0.1 molar molality urea. Second one, 0.00 molar aluminum sulfate. Formula ಸರಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. aluminum sulfate Al2SO4 thrice ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, initial. The correct statement regarding the above solution is freezing point will be lowest for solution 1. Freezing point will be highest for solution 4th one. Boiling point will be highest for solution 4. Vapor pressure will be highest for solution 2. What is the answer? What is the answer? The freezing point will be highest for solution 4th. That means option 2. Option 2 is the answer. Next. The freezing point of water is depressed by 0.37 degree Celsius in a 0.01 molar NaCl solution. The freezing point of 0.02 molar solution is depressed by yes. What is the answer? Here the answer is hello. Option is 3. It is higher the concentration decreases the freezing point. Nodi concentration enagide increase agide 0.01 molar NaCl iddu enagutte 0.02 molar solution agide. Therefore, there is a higher the concentration decreases the freezing point. Next. 16. Yes, 6% of urea solution is isotonic with. What I told you that isotonic is two solutions having same osmotic pressure. When they are having same osmotic pressure, when there is a concentration is same. When the concentration is same, number of moles is also same. Okay. Number of moles is also same. Yes, it is number of moles of that is number of moles of urea number of moles of urea is equal to mass of urea ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is 6% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 gram in 100 ml 6% is 6% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 gram is dissolved in 100 ml. That is mass ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the molecular mass of urea? That is equal to 60. That is equal to 0.1 molar or 0.1 mole. But volume of solution is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 100 ml that is equal to 0.1 liter ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So molarity is equal to 0.1 divided by 0.1 that is equal to 1 molar. So there is a 1 molar solution of glucose is isotonic with 6% urea. So option 1. Next 17. Which of the following aqueous solution has the highest boiling point? That means larger the number of particles, greater the boiling point. Which one gives more number of particles? The concentration is same.
Option 2.
This option 2. It is a best method. Okay. No need of calculations. Next. Molality of aqueous solution that produces an elevation of boiling point of 1 Kelvin at 1 atmosphere pressure. Kb for water is 0.512 Kelvin kg per mole. Okay. That you have to calculate. That is molarity. So molarity here, there is a formula. That is M is equal to delta TB by KB. KB. Delta TB ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದೇ 1 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then KB delta TB ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. KB ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 0.52. ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you get almost 2 ಬರುತ್ತಾ almost 2. ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1.95 ಇದೆ. So that is a 3. Okay. Next 19. What is the isotonic pressure of 0.0020 mole per dm cube glucose solution at 20 degree Celsius? Molar gas constant R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. 1 dmq is equal to 0.001 meter cube. So we have to find out the osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure, we know that the pi is equal to CRT. C is called as a concentration, R is called as a gas constant, T is the temperature. C concentration, how much they given? 0.002 mole per dm cube. Now you can convert it into C 0.0020 mole per dm cube. Mole per dm cube. So almost you can write it as 2 mole per meter cube convert ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So ಇವಾಗ C 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. R is given ಎಷ್ಟು 8.314. ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 20 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 293 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ almost around how much you get 5,000 approximately. You will get 5,000 is there nearby answer. Option nearby. That is a first option. There is a 4,000 870 Pascal. Next, the vapor pressure of a dilute aqueous solution of glucose is 740 mm of mercury at 373 Kelvin. The mole fraction of the solute is. Mole fraction of the solute is. Any other question?
Yes, sir.
The mole fraction of the solute. Mole fraction of solute is equal to 20. Mole fraction we represent X anta. Solute is equal to P naught minus PS divided by P naught. Illi kottidare kottilla andre you have to assume that vapor pressure of pure water is estirutta. Pure water ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ 760 mm of Hg ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು pure water. Okay, that is called as a P naught ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. P naught is equal to equal to 760 minus solutions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ concentration ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 740 divided by 760 is equal to 20 divided by 760 is equal to 1 divided by 38 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 divided by 30 38.
Yes, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
Second option.
Second option ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 1 divided by 30 is equal to almost. Third option ಇರೋಣ 0.025. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್.
20th second option. 21 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 20th second option, sir.
Second option 1/28 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 1/28 answer is this second option. Yeah, second option 1/38. Yes. Next is vapor pressure of pure liquid. Vapor pressure of pure liquid is 0.8 atm. When non-volatile solute is added to this liquid, its vapor pressure drops to 0 to 60 atm. The mole fraction of the solute is. Mole fraction of solute same ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ same type. Mole fraction of solute ಎರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Mole fraction of solute same ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 80 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ 80 pure and ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು 60 divided by 80 is equal to 20.
Option 3.
80 is equal to 1/4 is equal to 0.25. So 21. Yeah, 3. Option 3. 21 with 3. Yes, during osmosis, flow of water through semi-permeable membrane is.
Option 2.
22 the question number, right? Yes. Option 2. Form solutions having lower concentration only. Next question. By dissolving 5 grams of substance in 50 grams of water, the decrease in freezing point is 1.3 degrees Celsius. The molar depression constant is 1.85 degree per centimeter degree centimeter per meter. The molecular weight of the substance is, the direct formula, M is equal to N formula. What is the formula we use to calculate? M2 is equal to 1000 into what? Kf, or the Kf into W2 divided by W1 into delta TF. So, 1000 into Kf ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 1.85 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. W2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, mass of solute, that is 5 gram ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ W2. W1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 50 grams of water ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ TF ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1.3. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ 1, 10.
Option 4.
Option 4. Yeah, option 4. So that is 142. 44. 5% solution of cane sugar in the bracket molar mass is equal to 342 is isotonic with 1% solute of substance X. The molecular mass of X is that is, we have to calculate the number of moles. Number of moles ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಏನು? Mass by molar mass. Mass of urea, cane sugar ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 5% ಅಂತ. 5% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 gram in 100 ml divided by its molar mass ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 342 is equal to, ಇದು number of moles ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next is we have to find out the number of moles of other one. 1% ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1% is 1 gram dissolved in 100 ml. Its molecular mass you have to find out, that is equal to M ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. M is equal to 342 divided by 5. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 342 divided by 5 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? His answer is get 68 something, but that is their answer. That is the second option. Second option. Yes. Which of the following pair of solution can we expect the isotonic at the same temperature? I think same question is it repeated. Different idea. Last one, the same problem we did. Yes. Different idea. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? See the number of ions and
Option
concentration.
4.
This option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Next, 26. The vapor pressure of solution of 5 gram of non-electrolyte in 100 grams of water at 298 Kelvin is 985 kilopascal. The vapor pressure of pure water at the same temperature is 1000 kilopascal. The molecular mass of the solute is M2. You have to find out. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ. To find out the molecular mass of solute, formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು M2 is equal to ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, relative lowering of vapor pressure. Relative lowering of vapor pressure, the formula that is P naught minus PS divided by P naught is equal to, that is W2 by M2 divided by W1 by M1. This is the formula. Sarina, use this formula, then you have to calculate M2. P naught ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? P naught ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? P naught is equal to 1000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? PS is equal to 985 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? W2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? W2 is 5 gram. Next to W1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? 100 gram. 100 gram. Then देखो M1. What is the M1 here? ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ M1?
18.
18. Okay, because water is a solvent. Water is a solvent, therefore its molecular mass is 18. You substitute all this, you can calculate. That is it. M2 is equal to 60. That is first option. Next, the aqueous solution that has the lowest vapor pressure at a given temperature is lowest vapor pressure. That means it gives less number of particles when dissolved in water. What is the answer? It gives less number of particles when dissolved in water. ನೋಡಿ, concentration same ಇರಲ್ಲ. 0.1 molar sodium sulfate, 0.1 molar barium chloride, 0.1 molar
Option 3.
sodium chloride, 0.1 molar glucose. Option 4. Because glucose, it does not ionize. Number of particles same irutte, but therefore vapor pressure is low or lowest. If number of particles increase over, yeah, Sarina. Fourth option. Next, 28. Which of the following aqueous solution has the least freezing point. Least freezing point. There is a fourth option, 0.01 molar sodium chloride. Least, because sodium chloride it ionizes to give two particles, therefore there is a decrease in freezing point. The boiling point of azeotropic mixture of water and ethanol is less than of water and ethanol. The mixture shows less than that, Chandra, it is positive deviation from Raoult's law. When attractive between AB is more than that of AA and BB, the solution which shows deviation from Raoult's law. You know that the difference between ideal solution and non-ideal solution. Ideal solution which shows positive deviation and non-ideal solution which shows negative deviation. A difference what you can answer. That is option 2.
Option 2.
Yes, option 2 is the right answer. Negative. What is the effect of addition of sugar on the boiling and freezing point of water? You have to tell me the answer.
Option 4.
Yes. Correct. Boiling point increase and freezing point decrease. Option 4. 32. Which of the following 0.1 molar aqueous solution will have the lowest freezing point? Lowest freezing point. It gives more number of particles. It gives more number of particles, then it decreases the freezing point. If more number of particles increases, it increases the boiling point. Elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point.
28 same sir.
How do?
28 same question.
Same question, no? But the same question, sir. But answer ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. What is the answer for that? In which case, potassium sulfate. First option idea. What happened today? I don't know. Nobody is interacting. Nobody is interested today. There is a dull interaction. There is no coordination.
Option 28 at the fourth option.
Oh, the third 28 is fourth option. Correct. Now discuss question number 32.
The lowest freezing point.
Who know which option is the correct answer? Question which of the following 0.1 molar aqueous solution will have the lowest freezing point? Note 28 I am discussing 32. Question number. That is first option. Yakendra potassium sulfate K2SO4. It gives 3 ions. So number of ions increases, the freezing point decreases. Yes. Which of the following solution will have least vapor pressure? Least vapor pressure. Option 2, that is 0.1 molar urea. A solution A, B, C, D are respectively 0.1 molar glucose, 0.05 molar NaCl, 0.005 molar barium chloride, and 0.1 molar barium sulfate and 0.01 molar aluminum sulfate. Which of the following pair is isotonic? Same ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, how to calculate isotonic ಅಂತ. Just do it. I want the answer for that. 34. Which pair is the isotonic? Concentration.
Second option.
Concentration totally. Second option. I will try it. Pi is equal to CRT. The second option adra B and C alla. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ಯಾವುದು 0.005 into NaCl ಎಷ್ಟು ions ಬರುತ್ತಾ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And C ಯಾವುದು 0.00 ಇಲ್ಲಿ single 0. Point 0.005 into C is barium chloride, right? Point C is the barium chloride. It gives 3 ions. Is it the same? Same agutena. 0.1 is equal to 0.015. Same agutha. No, not same. It will be. You will see, they are not isotonic. Then which option? First, you can try option first one. A is 0.1 into glucose. It does not ionizes. This is A. Just 0.1. Then B, pi is equal to B is 0.0105. 0.05 into sodium chloride. It ionizes to give 2 particles. Therefore, 0.1. So you know. So A and B. So first option. Yes. 0.1 molar NaCl and 0.1 molar acetic acid are kept in separate container. If their osmotic pressure P1 and P2 respectively, then what is the correct statement? That is the first option. P1 is greater than P2 because sodium chloride is a strong electrolyte. It ionizes to give two particles. Therefore, osmotic pressure is greater. But acetic acid is a weak acid. It ionizes partially. Therefore, osmotic pressure is less. Next, 36. The osmotic pressure of 0.2 molar solution of urea at 27 degrees centigrade is R ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You have to calculate pi. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. Pi is equal to CRT. Concentration ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 0.2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. R ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 0.082 and temperature 300 degree, that is 27 degree ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You convert it into Kelvin convert ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Most of it 5, that is option 1. Almost 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 5 point nearby answer is 4.92 atm atmospheric pressure. So that's all. This chapter that is called as a solution. Yes, next chapter is any doubt? Hello. Any doubt? ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸರಿನಾ? So next chapter is electrochemistry, last chapter. Electrochemistry. If nobody is interested, if you don't show any interest, you don't have any mood to teach or discuss. If there is a more interaction, if you ask more questions, we are also very interested. Yes. Shall we discuss? Discuss ಮಾಡುವ. The device used to bring about non-spontaneous redox reaction by supplying electrical energy is called. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? What are you doing? Vishnu is there, Sai is there. Mohammed Kayam, Uli, Payal, Meghanath. Payal. Payal. Meghanath.
Yes, sir.
Idhirana Vishnu.
Yes, sir.
Sai Sudhir.
Yes, sir.
Mohammed Kayam.
Yes, sir.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? What are you doing? ಪಾಯಲ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Network problem, sir.
Network problem. Okay. Okay, fine. So we can discuss next for electrochemistry. That is yeah. Next is the device used to bring about a non-spontaneous redox reaction by supplying electrical energy is called an